So anyway, I gotta put a fan to suck all this hot air out of here for the summertime. Way up there. I don't look forward to it. I'm too old to get up on these ladders, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I gotta figure out how to get that fan up there and how to. There's no, it doesn't fit the wood perfect. I'm gonna add some wood, and then I got the Trans Am in the way, so I have to move that. I'll see what I come up with. Somehow I gotta make this fan waterproof. Look at the gap here. There's a 1/4 inch gap on both sides. I mean, what's gonna keep the water from going in there? That's the compressor running in the background. Somehow I gotta mount this up there where I was showing, but at an angle. So the water run off. But now I'm looking at this. This thing's open a little bit. So far I got these pieces made. Let's see what happens. need to put a ladder inside where that car is. See if it'll start. Guess I'll let it warm up a little bit. It hasn't been running. I was in construction. I've seen people on these ladders and the bottom kicks out. You're supposed to tie it off to something. So that way you don't even have to worry about it. And I'm too old to fall. I don't bounce like I used to. Okay, I feel safe now. Okay, it's been running about 10 minutes. It's warming up. Yeah, I've been thinking about this. What is the easiest way to get that up there? So I want it to slope when it's outside. I think I'm gonna put a 2x4 like this.
Hey, what up, girl? How you doing? I don't want to come on too strong or nothing like that, but I've been thinking about you. And I've been wondering where you lay up. Where you at? So, sure. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blind.
Believe it or not, I used to work on bridges.
Where do you
Walking up twice as high as this on a piece of wood that or a piece of steel, and I walk across with nothing on both sides.
that thing you do? Follow you blindly. I'll be your fool. Cinderella. I think I'll find your glass slipper, baby. Cinderella, I think you found your prince charming in me. I don't know much, but I do know that I'm feeling you. Hope that one day, maybe someday you'll be feeling me too. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. You must be magic the way that you carry yourself.
Okay, that's it.
Unspoken confidence, baby.
I just gotta
you
paint
know
it.
Damn well. You get me fired up like holy, you hotter than hell. None can compete 'cause your presence is unparalleled. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go?
Old signs. I gotta make a template so I know what to cut. It was a mistake. I had to fix it. When you make mistakes, you just have to get on it. You think about it and shame yourself, it doesn't do any good. So the fan goes on the inside. So again, the bottom is here. Like that. Okay, I don't want to do this, but in the thermostat there was 4 wires, and they were so small. They were so small that now my number 2022 just barely grabbed it if I twisted it. So here we go. I don't look forward to this at all. problem I didn't foresee, which I'm gonna have to do right now. I can't get the ladder up any higher because the fan's in the way. So I'm gonna have to frickin' hold on and reach. I don't look forward to that. Got nothing to hold on to. Oh, now I do. That's solid. Not a good feeling when you can't put the grab undo. Yeah, I didn't like that at all. Anyway, now I gotta put, so here's the fan down here in the metal. I gotta put a piece of flashing on top of the fan behind the metal on the inside. Just gotta get up there and flash it now. Okay, I'll put up the screen, double screen. I'm beat. I must have went up and down that ladder 25 times. Too old for this, but it's done.